Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact lag easy and quick. If you want to fix it, what you need to do first, just go to settings, and now once you're here, type here background apps, click on it, and now scroll down until you find the background apps, and here you will find it like that. Just turn off all the applications that you don't need, or you can just click turn this one off, and that's it. You will turn off all the applications here, and after that right click on your PC, go to NVIDIA control panel, and now click use my preference and move it to performance, and click apply, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.